I'm recording you.
I thought you were going to the gym. I don't even know. Oh, at the gym.
Oh, God. What happened to Rory?
That Lane didn't pick up his phone. He probably didn't ask his mama.
Maisha, what are you doing?
These two white boys there. What? And they was lifting like 100 and something pounds. Oh my God. They were not supposed to. Isaac don't get me, but that was who did it? They go to that school.
Good boy. He here?
Right. That baby daddy here. Put the camera on.
Where?
Baby daddy. You brought your baby suit?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
It's one piece.
I brought the other one.
Oh, okay.
Let me see it then.
Shawty, I've been looking at these pictures. Here, look it.
Me too. What else?
It's Danny Boo in her bathing suit. I can't wait till we get in the pool. We gonna record it.
I got it.
But I'm not getting my hair wet. So don't do nothing stupid. Oh yeah, Shanice stole that. Oh no, that's not the one.
This the one I stole.
That's a shame. Y'all going to jail.
Oh, you got this on camera.
Yep.
Oh. My sister brought me this one. I brought this for $12. Yeah, she bought that at Walmart. I was there with her. We was on there with her when she bought that.
Oh, I was on the phone with Shabari last night.
What happened?
I can't say it on camera.
Oh yeah.
But we was cracking on what happened Saturday night.
Stop it. Let's take the rest on top of the camera.
Say bye, Misha.
Bye.
Say bye, Shanice.